guys? D-Town Pyro 214 here with another little pickup. This time we got a pickup from Red Lantern cakes. Never shot any of these cakes before, but always down to try some new stuff. So this is what we got today, guys. This is a island getaway collection. You get 4 cakes, 4 500-gram cakes, 16 shots a piece. They look like pretty solid little cakes. I mean, 500-gram cakes. Catching waves, 16 shots. Beach Paradise, another 16 shots. It's like an assortment. Sorry guys, my camera's moving. Make the dream, or make the yacht my problem. Pretty cool. Tropical tiki bar. So that's the 4-pack assortment. You get all these 4 cakes and that. Pretty cool looking box too. So pretty excited to try these out. Like I said, I never had anything from Red Lantern, so should be pretty fun. Also, top of the volcano. This one looks like a pretty good cake on the videos. I haven't really seen any too much demos on Red Lantern stuff, but let me get some of these out, do some demos. So it comes 4 2 cakes, top of volcano. Then got a You Are Fired 401 500-gram cake. Check it out, guys. Check it out. You Are Fired. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool. 26 shots. Two, probably about a ½ inch. This one looks pretty sick. If any of y'all guys ever shot any of these cakes, let me know. So I got another Assassins, top of volcanoes. This one right here, Dead Walkers. Let me open this one up. You guys ever shot this one before, guys? Dead Walkers. So it's a 500-gram cake too. Got 2 more there too. I know what these are. Yes, sir. So let's what else we got over here? Assassins 401 also. Assassins 401. It's a pretty cool looking cake too. 500 grams. 40 shots. Kind of reminds me of the OL one. It came 3. I think they were 36 shots. Fan shape one. So let me know if y'all ever shot any of these cakes before, guys. And then the Dead Walkers. 36 shots. So they look pretty solid on the Red Lantern demos. Like I said, I've never shot any of these, so I had to pick up a couple cases of each, try them out. So let me know if y'all guys ever tried these cakes before. Leave a comment. Hope y'all guys are finding product, getting what y'all need. So we're almost there. All right, guys, over and out.